So scalar quantities are only associated with a magnitude. And magnitude basically means how big that quantity is. So if you just take the number 5, we'd say that that would be a magnitude because it doesn't have a direction associated with it, it's just a number. So examples of scalars would be time, because you don't need to specify a direction since we can't go back in time, and we have length and width. So these are all examples of scalars. And then vectors have both magnitude and direction. So when we say direction, we can indicate positive or negative. So we can say that something goes in the positive x direction, which on the graph would be going to the right, or the negative x direction. And we could also say positive y, negative y. So examples of vectors would be force, because this we have to indicate a direction for, and velocity, which is basically speed with a direction. So you could say you're going 5 miles per hour in the positive x direction. So you must indicate direction. And one last one would be acceleration, which is basically your change in velocity over time.